Hello students, now I am going to explain noun. What is noun? So noun is the name of person, place, thing, animal, object, ideas, state and or position. Means noun is, in other words you can say noun is the naming word which shows the person, place, thing, animal, abstract ideas, state or position. Whenever you start to talk about noun, anyone, you address anyone or you indicate towards anything, anyone, you shall have to use the word noun through which you can indicate him or that thing or animal. So here example of noun is Rahul, Agra, sugar, cow, love, patient, sir, etc. For example, person's noun is Rahul, place noun is Agra, things noun is sugar, animals noun is cow, abstract ideas, love, hate, anger, whatever be there. State position, patient, sir, SPDM, because SPDM is a state, particular position of a post of a person. Patient is the state of a person. He is suffering from something. He is not in good condition with state position. So all these are the examples of the noun. After these types of noun, there are 5 types of noun here: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. So first of all, we shall have to talk about the proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is the particular. Proper noun is the particular name of person, place, thing, animal, abstract ideas, and state or position. Means proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is the particular. Never forget particular name. Particular. The word particular must be kept in mind when you are talking about the proper noun. Without the particular word, you will not be able to clarify exactly the definition of the proper noun. Because if you remove particular word, it will go in same way. The noun definition, and noun includes all these 5. So if you want to clarify exactly, then you shall have to use word particular name for the definition of the proper noun. So proper noun is the particular name of person, place, thing, animal, abstract ideas, state or position. You can see example. Ram is a student. Here Ram is the name of a particular person. After this, Agra is famous city. Agra. You are talking about a particular city, particular place. In third example, you will find a thing. Sugar is sweet. Sugar. What type? Sugar, the material noun. The sugar comes under the material noun also. But when you talk about the material noun, that does not matter. That is the other subject matter. Here the word sugar is presenting before you the noun, particular name of a particular thing which is used to eat or to cook or to create another thing. So sugar. In same way, if we talk about animal's name, how animal's name is the proper name. So you can say my cow's name is Gomati. Here the word cow is not a proper noun because it comes under common noun, and you are saying my cow's name means your cow's name. What is Gomati? As soon as ज्यों ही आप the word Gomati use to call, to address your cow, this word Gomati becomes the proper noun for this the cow animal. So proper noun is the particular name of a particular animal maybe here and becomes also. And after this, abstract ideas. So here name of animal and abstract ideas. Love is blind. Love. Here love is blind. Here abstract. Abstract ideas. Here love, no one can see or touch the love. Love is the emotion, love is the feeling, love is the realization of heart. you whenever you becomes attract towards someone or something, then you like that, and when you start to like, then the process of love starts. Means love is the realization. You don't see or touch that thing, that realization. So this is the love is the subject matter of abstract ideas. In same way, hunger, bhook, anger, gussa, etc., all these are bhook. You neither touch nor see the bhook, hunger, but you only can realize some process starts in your stomach, in your body, and due to which you realize that yes, I am hungry. That is the type of exhaustion and sufferings, etc. When you start to realize, then it comes under the category of hunger. And then in same way, and position, abstract position, that is the position. How position is comes under the proper noun? Like example, SP, Superintendent of Police; DM, District Magistrate; CMO, Chief Medical Officer. All these are the particular name of a particular post. So whatever SHO, SSI, all these are the particular name of particular post. So here SP has added to become. So it is the name of SP. The word SP is the name of the position, a post, position or a post. And in same way, you can say the state, that is man is suffering from malaria. This is proper noun malaria, particular name. But here the state position, that is the man is suffering from. The man is patient. Man is patient of malaria. So you can say here the word patient of malaria shows the state of the particular person, that in which state his physical body is suffering from some problems, some difficulties, etc. So you can say that all these are the proper noun. And how can you define? After it comes common noun. What is common noun? So we shall have to see or to have a glance towards a common noun. Common noun refers the whole class of same race. So what is common noun? You can see here, it refers the whole class. Here the whole class of a same of same race, or you can say species, species. So common noun here, common means general, general, that is the saman, means the word which applies overall, simultaneously, equally, बराबर रूप से, समान रूप से, जो सब पे लागू होता है, वह वर्ड कॉमन होता है. और वह नाउन जो जनरली कॉमनली होल जात, उस रेस, वह जात, वह कास्ट, वह रेस, चाहे दुनिया में कहीं भी हो, वेयर एवर दैट कास्ट रेस बी applies on the whole race, that word becomes the common noun. For example, you can say man, cow, nature, river, teacher, doctor, etc. Means man. Man means man, whole race. The word man is here representing here the whole race of the human race. That human race may be on in world anywhere, either in America, England, Russia, Japan, France, China, or Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, or India, or on the moon, or on the anywhere, on the in the horizon, etc. But man becomes man wherever he be. In same way, cow also becomes cow, animal, buffalo, whatever be there. At the place of cow, animal also be there, and nature, prakriti is also nature is nature. All each and every, even a particle, the smallest unit which belongs to nature, physical world, to the highest unit. Each and everything belongs to nature, wherever it be, either in horizon or on the moon or in Brihaspati, etc. And same way, river, it applies to the whole rivers. Teacher applies to the whole teachers. Doctor applies to the whole doctors. Now, let me explain all these in the sentences. Man is mortal. Mortal means nashwar. So here, this word, the man is showing that the whole human being, whole human race, पूरा की पूरी मानव जाति जो कि चाहे दुनिया में कहीं भी हो, किसी भी प्लेस पे, किसी भी प्लेनेट पे हो, चाहे स्काई में रहती हो, अगर वह मैन है तो वह मैन जो है इसी में आता है, और वह मोर्टल दैट इज नश्वर है, यानी ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन हु हैज टेकन बर्थ ऑन अर्थ, has taken birth on earth, one day is to die, and it is certain to each and everyone, man, person, either that is man or woman, comes under the man race. Man being is the subject, under the subject of the death and the decay. So man is here referring to the whole human being, whole human race, and after that the cow gives milk. Here the word cow is showing that cow, गाय जो है, whoever, whatever be the number and the quantity of cow, it gives milk. Means चाहे गाय कहीं भी, wherever that cow be, if that it is cow, then it is its nature to give milk. अगर गाय है तो इस गाय का यह काम है कि वह दूध देगी ही देगी. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर गाय है तो इंडिया में दूध दे रही है, अमेरिका में जाएगी तो खोआ देगी, या अमेरिका में जाएगी तो मिठाई देगी, या कुछ देगी. ऐसा नहीं है. देयर इज नथिंग विद दिस काउ. काउ इज टू गिव मिल्क. काउ इज of humble nature, then humble nature to give milk, then to give milk. And third example, nature. Nature is best foster for man. Means here word nature is showing that wherever the part of the nature be, wherever the nature be, if nature that belongs to the nature circle, nature cycle, then this nature will be best foster for always to the each and every man race, human being. So the word here man is representing the whole human race, the whole human being, and in same way nature is universalizing, globalizing, or universalizing the whole nature, the part and parcel of the nature, the god, the nature, that is plant, etc., whatever be there. So nature is here also the common noun, and here man is also the common noun. And after this, river. River is source of water. So if this word river, or you can say rivers, these are the source, means collectively shows that each and every river becomes the source of water. Neither one nor a single one river becomes, but each and every river, wherever the river is, it is the source of water. It becomes the source of water. It is the nature of the river to give water, to avoid or to afford water. Means it is the source, natural source or nature. So it is here referring the whole rivers. In same way, when we talk about the teacher, teacher teaches students. So to teach is the nature of the teacher to students. So each and every teacher, here the word teacher is including, referring to the whole teachers, whether that teacher belongs to the America, Russia, France, Germany, or India, means if that person is teacher in the profession of teaching, then it is certain to him that he will teach everywhere he be, in any country, any land, any nation. And in same way, the doctor cures patients. So the word doctor here is again common noun. It is referring to the whole race of the doctor. It belongs to the whole race of the doctor. That if person is in the profession of doctor, then it is certain to him to cure the patients. It will be his duty. So any person, either in India, America, or anywhere, or in horizon, or on the moon planet, wherever he be, it will be his profession to cure the other one. So doctor is the person who is the word which is referring to the whole race of the doctors, a particular profession. In this way, this is the definition of the common noun and clarification of common noun. Now, next is the collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective noun. What is collective noun? It refers whole group as one. Means the word collective noun shows the whole group, the group of persons to. So collective noun, it refers the whole group as one. Means the group may be common noun may turn into collective noun may turn into common noun. So but what is the difference? Collective noun whole group as one. But what is common noun? Common noun whole class of caste, race, species. So here the whole class and here the whole group, but difference is as one. Here not so as one. Here it will wrong. In common noun it not happens so. As one is not shown, but here as one whole group is presented as one, एक के रूप में एकीकृत करके. For example, you can say staff, gang, bunch, staff, bunch, herd that is the झुंड, bunch means चाबी का गुच्छा, group, gang that is the group of 2 3 4 5 10 200 10 whatever is limited group, staff that is whole one. All these show the whole as a one to each and every group as a one. You mean that is the in union. For example, you can see here that gang of robbers, second bunch of thieves, etc. In this way, all these show the whole class 2 3 4 members of one are as the family member one. This is the collective noun, and in this collective noun there is one other is this. The jury is also an example of collective noun. Jury is the group of judges 5 4 3 10 equally. But through the example of jury, I would like to explain the collective noun is of two types. Collective noun and here collective of multitude. Multitude means collective noun and collective of multitude. what is collective noun and collective multitude? Both are the same, both refers to the same group. But what is in collective noun? Group is presented as one. Example, collective noun here. Example. Jury is one in opinion. मीन सभी जजेस जो हैं वो इस राय में इस बात से सहमत हैं एक साथ. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस इन माइंड इन थिंकिंग ऑफ देम. बट हियर एग्जांपल ऑफ इट, jury are divided in opinion. Here jury are, when jury, the same jury becomes divided in opinion, right, then it becomes two part. Now it refers the whole class as 1, 2, 3, 5 judges. But if single judge gets adverse to the other judges or judges opinion, then it becomes divided into two parts, the same group. And then now this collective noun shows the group but shows the multitude, shows the division. In same way staff is a staff has taken decision. स्टाफ ने यह फैसला लिया है. बट अगर यदि स्टाफ हो किसी चीज़ का और वह सडनली डिवाइड हो जाए दो बातों में, एक भी स्टाफ का डिवाइड अगर हो तो स्टाफ आर डिवाइडेड इन ओपिनियन. सो व्हेन स्टाफ विल डिवाइड देन द नाउन कलेक्टिव ऑफ मल्टीट्यूड नाउन हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. सो आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर. एंड आफ्टर दिस material noun. What is material noun? It refers matters of substances, पदार्थ through which other things can be made. So what is material noun? Material noun refers the matters or substances through which other things can be made. Through which means ऐसे तत्व, the substance or matters through which या with the help of which the other things can be made, like milk, curd, rice, wheat, sugar, etc. A lot of things, materials are there. So through milk we can make curd. Through milk you can make sweets. Through curd you can make liquid curd and other substances, and you can eat. In same way rice, through rice, with the help of rice you can make different type of delicious things. Wheat is also there, sugar is also there. In same way sugar is used. So all these are the example of material noun. And finally abstract noun. What are abstract noun? Refers, abstract noun refers the ideas or thoughts which neither seen nor touched but only felt or realized. Means what is this saying? Refers to the idea or thought which neither seen nor touched. This is the keynote. And after that but only. नाइदर सी नटस, ना ही देखी जा सकती हैं ना देखी गई हैं, और ना ही टच, ना कभी छुई गई ना छुई जाती हैं, न छू सकते हैं आप, बल्कि उसी जगह क्या करते हैं, केवल उसे महसूस कर सकते हैं, रियलाइज कर सकते हैं. दिस कम्स अंडर द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. एग्जाम्पल हीट, लव, हर्ट, पेन. etc. Example you can see here. Example of abstract noun: heat, गर्मी, love, नफरत, hurt, चोट, hate, घृणा, pain, दर्द, hunger, etc. All such types of things can only be realized. You can't touch your hunger. You can realize that such type of feelings is here, realization is here, such process is happening in here in my stomach. Then it is sure that it is the hunger. I am feeling hungry here. There is need of the food. In same way, heat, गर्मी, ऊर्जा. When you realize extreme temperature on your body, then you realize that it is the extreme heat. In same way, love. When you realize some attraction and some goodness is there, then you realize that love is there, attraction is there. In same way, hurt, pain. Pain neither can be seen nor touched, but only can be realized. You can't see that this is the pain, this type, this color is of the pain. No, you can realize only that this is the pain. So all these are the types of the noun. And in next video, the number, person, and after that the gender of the noun, and so forth further. Thank you. Have a nice day. If any problems occurs, if any doubt occurs, then contact me on my personal number or through the group number, and I will be available to clarify.